Here's I'm gonna show you 4 different ways to insert images in Photoshop. First of all, go to your Photoshop, click on File, click on Open, or you can just press Ctrl O to get the open window. Now select the image you want to open or insert, and here we can see the image opened. And the second option is drag and drop. Go to your File Explorer, navigate to the folder which folder contains your photos. Now select one or multiple photos and just drag and drop the photo in your Photoshop to insert the photo just like this. The third way is Place Embedded. Go to File, click on Place Embedded, select the photo you want to insert and just click on Place. And now you can go ahead and easily work with the image. And the last option is Copy and Paste. So go to your target project and unlock the image layer and go to Edit, just copy, or you can press Ctrl C. Now go back to your main project where you want to insert the image and just press Ctrl V and your image will insert or paste just like this. Click on OK.